Today, I'll walk you through how to send a one-time snap on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share a snap that disappears after viewing, so you can keep your conversations fun and private. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you're familiar with the app, it's like opening the front door to your digital world. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. App interfaces can vary with updates. Next, you'll want to take a photo or choose one from your gallery. To take a photo, simply tap the circular button at the bottom of the screen. If you prefer to use a photo from your gallery, swipe up to access your memories. This is similar to selecting a favorite book from your shelf. You're picking the perfect image to share. Once you have your photo ready, you'll be directed to the Edit page. Here, look for the Image Timer option. This feature allows you to choose how long your snap can be viewed, ranging from 1 to 10 seconds. Think of this as setting a timer on a delicious dish. You want to give just the right amount of time for your friends to enjoy it before it disappears. After you've set your desired timer, click the back arrow to return to the previous screen. Now it's time to send your snap. Click the Send button, which is usually represented by an arrow. This is like sealing a letter before sending it off. You want to make sure everything is just right. Finally, choose where to send your snap. You can select individual friends or add it to your story. This step is crucial as it determines who gets to see your disappearing moment. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a one-time snap on Snapchat. Remember, this feature is a great way to share spontaneous moments without leaving a permanent trace. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.